Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the second part of the celery, which is celery swallow for weight loss. For this swallow, we'll be making use of Psyllium Husk. The health benefits of celery are well detailed in my last video. Kindly check on it. Celery is a great source of important antioxidants which supports digestion. It relieves skin issues and promotes clear complexions. You can eat this with any soup of your choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.